Hi viewer, I welcome you to Edim TV. It is the station where you watch and learn. I'll be taking you through Mathematics Form 3, lesson number 22. The topic it is Commercial Arithmetics 2. I'm your tutor, Lucy Mudon. Welcome. Our lesson goes today. We are going to compound interest. We start by defining what is compound interest. Compound interest, it is the interest being paid to the owner. It is added to the principal, and thereafter it earns the interest also. So that is the reason as to why we refer to it as compound. It is compounded with the principal in order for it now to start earning the interest again. Interest period. It is the period after which it is compounded to the principal. Then it may be calculated either annually, semi-annually, quarterly, and also monthly. In case the compound interest rate is per annum and the interest is calculated n times per year, then the rate of the interest per period is r divided by n. For example, let us take that you are given an interest or you are given or you are required to find the rate if at all it is compounded quarterly. How many times will you compound this? It is 4 times. So my rate becomes r divided by 4. The number of times you are going to calculate it. So that's how it is calculated. The compound interest formula. It is given as compound interest is supposed to be the principal. We open up the bracket 1 plus rate divided by 100 raised to power t. And remember, P, it is the principal amount, R, it is the rate of the interest, T, it is the time period, and CI, it is the compound interest. We go to the examples. Compound interest, the formula is given there. Then you are given the principal, which is the US dollar 2000. Then rate, it is 5%. Time, it is 3 years. Then you are told to get the amount. So in that case, it is 2000 US dollar. You open the bracket 1 plus 0.5 divide by 1 multiplied by 1 times 3. So what am I going to get? You calculate and finish up. Then we go to the compound interest. An example, the first example you are going to calculate. A customer deposited 14,000 in the saving account. Find the accumulated amount after 1 year if the interest was paid at 12% per annum, compounded quarterly. So you can have the interest, which is supposed to be A, is equals to the principal times 1 plus r divided by 100 raised to power n. But my rate is supposed to be 12 divided by 1 and by 4 because it will be compounded quarterly. So it is 3. So where I have 12 there, it's supposed to be 3 over 100. But my time is supposed to be 1 times 4. So in that case, what do I get? I get 22,029 and 27 cents. So that is the way it's supposed to be calculated. Then we go to the example 2. A jewelry mechanic wants to accumulate 400,000 in 5 years. How much money must he invest now at 10% per annum compound interest? So in that case, now we use the formula, which is 400,000, that is the amount. Then we have the principal. Then we have 1 plus 10 divided by 1 and r raised to power n. So in that case, it is principal times multiplied by 1.1 raised to power 5. So we divide both sides by 1.1 raised to power 5. So you get the principal is supposed to be 248,368.53. That's how I get that principal. Activity for today. Example, you're supposed to calculate Mary deposited US dollar 1,500 in a bank that gave 15% per annum interest, compounded every 8 months. Every 8 months. After n years, she withdrew all the money which she earned amounted to US dollar 2,655. Find the n. That is the activity. For more information, you can visit the KRB 2003 Secondary Mathematics Student Book 3, that edition. And then, in case you want to get us more, you can get us from either through the SMS. You can also get us from the YouTube. You can also get us from the Facebook. You can also get us through the Twitter. Otherwise, stay tuned to your interview. Thank you.